to my channel. Click that button, like it and subscribe. Today I'm going to make popsicles. Are you ready? They're really healthy. Let's get started. So I'm going to tell you all the ingredients we have. We have a juicer, popsicle holes, and all the fruits, strawberries, kiwi, cucumber, and what does this say again?
Spinach.
Spinach and watermelon. Now let's get started. Everyone, now we have the fruits and the vegetables. They're very healthy and we have to wash them and cut them. And ask your moms or your dads, whoever there, ask them. Now let's get started. We got all the fruits and the vegetables cut out. Now we're going to do the juice. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Ready? Go ahead, keep going.
And now we're going to put the juice in here. I got it,
So some more.
Come on, get out.
Let's do some more.
It's okay if it spills, everyone. Don't worry. We'll clean it up soon. Oh my, why is it brown? I have done all of them. Now the juice is already done. Now we're going to mix it. Now let's get started.
You're holding it a little higher. You can hold it with both hands. Okay, nice.
That's it. This is going to work. Seems like an interesting thing. I don't know how it's going to work.
Just gonna cover them now.
And I think this one is going to fill up.
It's gonna go over. That's fine. It's okay.
Ah.
That's part of the process, getting a little messy.
Now we're going to put it in the freezer. Now let's get started. Now we just have to wait.
The next day.
Welcome back, everyone. Now the popsicles are done. Now we're going to taste them. Are you ready? Let's get started by tasting them. Yummy! dip. Really good. 2. Yummy. You see the white a little bit. Yummy. Do you like it, everyone? It's so yummy. Cheers. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye-bye.